Good day, folks. Excuse me. So here is that city and industry kit that contains the 15 buildings, 160 detailed accessories, over 130 dry transfer decals, instruction sheet and such. So let's say we crack this puppy open and see what's inside, eh? Well, got the instruction sheet here. Oh, got some wood planks. Put them off to the side. Oh, we got a bunch of signs. Different stuff. We got a pharmacy and Woody's Custom Cabinets. I think we'll change that to Wig Workshops Custom Cabinets. A nice dry transfer decal sheet. A rod. This is for the flagpole. So you can put a flag in the center of town. Black construction paper. Now these go inside the buildings. Kind of you'll cut a slot near and make them kind of a crisscross. And the reason for that is when you look in the building that you don't see all the way through to the other side of the building. Kind of gives it, you know, kind of blocks out the light. So there's several of those. Instruction sheet, like I said. Now there's 15 kits in here. And a bunch of detail parts and other stuff like that. So it's I'm not going to show every one of them. But basically they're individually bagged. This one's the general store. But they come individually bagged. Got your styrene kit inside there. But yeah, there's a whole box of them. You know, there's 15 of them in here. Got the Valley Apartments. Corner Pharmacy, and so on and so on. So there's 15 of those. And then there's let's see what's under here. Okay, here is all the 160 different accessories. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Got a flagpole, trash cans, crates, big propane tank, barrels, all kinds of cool stuff. This is going to be fun. This all has to be hand painted. That's going to be cool. Right there. Got this DVD Scotty Mason put out. It's called Painting and Weathering Detail Castings by Scotty Mason. That basically tells you how to, you know, detail and paint the white metal castings. But yeah, there's a lot in here. Lots of stuff. I have a whole nother pouch of that stuff too. I got probably another 300 pieces. So, but it's good DVD. I bought this separate. Scotty Mason's one of the premier model railroaders up there with Dave Ferrari. Them guys are, you know, the stuff they do with model railroading is just incredible. So that's everything in there. There's, you know, 15 kits. We got some hydrocal parts. I believe these are the sidewalks. that go in front. Some hydrocal castings. There's some more hydrocal castings in there. One of the kits is actually for scratch building. Basically, it's not necessarily a kit. What it is, it's a bunch of bits and pieces for you to get creative and kind of make your own thing. So that's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, that's the City and Industry building set from Woodland Scenics. I'll shoot a couple videos of me building one of the kits. They're all styrene, white styrene. They have to be painted and weathered. So, alright, also coming up, the railroad is actually coming along pretty well. It's actually rolling now. I got the track laid. I still have to do the ballast, but I tested it all today. I'm going to shoot a video showing a test run. The train rolls. Everything's pretty smooth. They've got a couple spots, a couple kinks I need to work out. But other than that, yeah, she's coming along a lot faster than I expected. The next parts are going to take a while because the next parts are the detailing, the adding the grass and bushes and trees, and you know, that part. That's the part that's, you know, you take your time with that. Take my time with the whole thing, but it's just it seems just putting itself together. So, all right, folks. Well, until next time, remember, be kind to one another and keep the glue on the styrene.